Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect 8cap to MetaTrader. So basically what you want to do is to make sure that you already have your 8cap account, and from there you then want to download the official application of MetaTrader. So you can just do that by searching MetaTrader on your browser, and from there you will be able to navigate through their official website. Right after, to connect your 8cap account to MetaTrader, you can then click on the file button at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you then want to click on the open an account. From here, you will be able to access a lot of companies out there, and you can simply search for your company. In our case, it's going to be 8cap on the search bar above this specific window. Click on the enter button, and then you will navigate it to the 8cap or the company right here. So we have the 8cap EU, 8cap Global Limited, and the 8cap Pty Ltd. You can just navigate through your specific 8cap company. In my case, I'm navigating through the 8cap Pty right here. Click on the next button, and then you want to click on connect with an existing trade account. Log in your credentials, like your login credential, password, and you also want to make sure that you connect to the right server. So basically, there's different servers out there, and you want to check what servers are your trading accounts are on. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.